So in this video, we are going to flavor the olive oil with sage leaves. So you're going to do the exact same technique from the last video with the rosemary oil, and you are going to take some sage leaves. So in this scenario, you don't really want the stem, you want more of the leaves. And if you see a long stem, just go ahead and break that off and insert the leaves. Then after that, take the funnel and fill that bottle up. Still give it about an inch left at the top for the cork. And then that is it. You still want to store it in a dark place, and you can still use this up to 3 months. If you do this on the stove where you warm up the olive oil and then you put the sage leaves in there, whether it is the sage or the rosemary, you can refrigerate this for up to 6 months. So this is my way because I use it a lot. I cook a lot. So this is why I do it my way. So when you are making your meats, whether it be chicken, pork, lamb, or even duck, you can use this oil for that. It'll give it a nice flavor. And again, this is one of the oils that I do use. I just flavored my olive oil. So I will see you guys in my next video.